Happy New Year! And today, the tree is coming down. If you remember from my previous videos, I actually set my tree up way back before Halloween in like the beginning of October, right? So it's been up for a while. It's time for it to come down. But as I take it down, I want to be more organized this year because it took a lot of time to put all of our Christmas decorations up, didn't it? Did it take a lot of work and time? Yeah. Because I didn't know what was in each box. So this year, we're going to be more organized, right? Welcome to our very first organization video on the Real Housewife of Nebraska. So girls, the first thing that I read to do is take all of our Christmas decorations, minus the tree and the stuff on it, and put it into one big pile in the living room. That way we know what we have and where to put it. Should we get going?
Yeah.
Yes, here we go.
Whoa.
Here's to hoping the girls don't destroy everything. We're putting everything in a pile in the living room, right? Okay, Eve, you can put in the pile in the living room?
Yeah.
Okay. Good work. You got more, huh?
Oh, I make it more. And make here. And I'm bigger. And you bigger.
Good work, Camille Jean. So, Camille, what we're going to do next, and Eve, is we're going to figure out what will go in each box. That sounds kind of tough, right? And one thing that is nice is if all of your boxes match for Christmas, so that way you know, hey, the gray boxes, that's Christmas. Right away when you go into your storage area, you know where your Christmas decorations are at. Also, this year I'm going to label all of the boxes better. Last year I just wrote Christmas on the boxes, and then I didn't know what was in each box. And once again, it took a long time to unpack everything. So this year I'm going to be more specific about what really is in each box. As far as wrapping paper goes, here's a little trick I learned. What you need is, it sounds silly, but an old toilet paper roll. You cut it, just one cut, and then you just simply roll it over the toilet paper, or roll it over the wrapping paper. And then it holds it in place. Rather than putting a piece of tape right here and wrecking part of the wrapping paper, you can just simply do this. Save your toilet paper rolls, everybody. So out of all the Christmas decorations, Camille, what is your favorite?
That Santa Claus, the big one, and this reindeer.
Yeah, they're pretty cool, aren't they? One thing we haven't decided is what we're going to do with the gingerbread house. We can't say that for next year. The gingerbread village.
We can eat it.
Are you going to eat it now?
Everybody has to eat the one that they made.
What happened to Daddy's already?
He ate it.
Or did Mommy eat a bite?
Mommy ate it. I'm going to eat this one. It's mine. I'm eating my own. I'm supposed to eat this one. This is mine.
Oh, Eve, can you just eat it here? Now it's time for my least favorite part, tackling the tree. I'm going to start with the ornaments. I do have some original packaging for my balls to protect them, but if you don't, you can try egg cartons. Sounds a little funny, right? But if they protect eggs, I would hope they can protect ornaments too. I've also heard of people wrapping ornaments in coffee filters, or you can try to create your own Christmas organizer with plastic cups and cardboard. You put your ornaments in plastic cups, then put cardboard on top, and then start with another layer. It's way cheaper than buying a Christmas organizer. Now, if you have ornaments like we do that aren't breakable, you can just put them all in a bag, and I'd recommend putting all of the like ones together. So that way it's easier to decorate next year or this year. It's weird to think that 2020, it's now 2020, so there'll be Christmas 2020. Is that mind blowing? Yeah. Does our house look empty now, Camille?
Mostly.
Mostly? Yep, it's starting to look bare, but we're going to have future decorating videos as it changes the season. And also this year, my New Year's resolution is to be more organized. So we're going to have some organization videos coming up, including organizing our fridge and organizing our pantry. I'm excited about organizing our fridge because I think I can organize it in a way that the whole family eats a little healthier.
Huh.
Yeah, right?
I'm excited to do it with the pantry so I don't get too cold.
Yeah, the pantry, yeah, the fridge organization one, we might get a little cold. We'll have to figure that out, right? And the pantry one, though, I'm sure Daddy's excited about because Daddy's been complaining that the pantry is a wreck for a while now. So I hope you follow along for those videos. You won't miss them if you go down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell to turn on our notifications. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching our video. We really appreciate it. Right, Camille? And what do you want to tell people?
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment below. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!